What is leggings? Leggings are one of the most common bottom wears in ladies' garment product basket. Kid, teenagers, girls and ladies all wear leggings. Leggings fall under the basic apparel product category. Whether they need casual wear or ethnic wear, party wear or workwear leggings are fit and suitable. Leggings are simple in terms of its construction and stitching. There is no much design variation. Leggings are also used as yoga wear, sportswear, and leisure wear. Flowchart of leggings manufacturing process. Fabric development, fabric lab dip preparation, fabric approval, pattern making, garment sampling, sample approval, prototype, fit, size set, salesman's sample, pattern grading, fabric purchasing, fabric inspection, fabric shade banding. Segregation of fabrics by its widths and shade band, fabric testing, issue fabric for cutting section, fabric layering, marker making, cutting the lay, sorting of cut components, layer numbering, cut bundling and tagging, issue to stitching floor, stitching process. Quality checking of garment, inline and end of the line, garment repair, garment washing, garment finishing, finished product, product folding and packing, shipment inspection, approved garments, ready to ship.